Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. There is like extra glue on my eyelash because can you see that? How whack that is. I had to apply this one twice and now it's like sticking to the top of my lid. But anyways, we are going to be reviewing the new gift that Rihanna gave us after Christmas. It is the Fenty Beauty powder foundation, which I'm really excited about because I really love powder foundations. They're just so easy. They're just so throw it on and go. I got the shade 440. Now, when I was looking for a shade, I was really confused because the pan, I don't know, the pan just doesn't look like it's gonna match me. Maybe more on camera it does, but like in person it just looks way lighter than me. This video is mainly gonna be me seeing how full coverage the Fenty powder foundation can go. As you can see, my skin is not near perfect, right? I have a lot of blemishes, I have a lot of imperfections, I have some texture. Like, my skin's not perfect. So this says it can go from light to full coverage. So we're gonna test that today. So if you wanna see how that goes, keep on watching. So I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Pro Filter Primer. So I recently earned my couch potato certification, guys. So now I'm qualified to teach you guys how to become a professional couch potato. If you aren't already, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. It's very important. Everyone needs their couch potato certification. This kind of smells like a little bit like urine. It's not strong though, but it's there to me. Anyway, I'm sure if you are clicking on my video, you've probably seen several. So you have the powder here, the mirror here, you flip it up and you have a magnifying mirror here and a sponge. And I think they recommend applying it with the sponge, but I'm just gonna use a brush. I'll just kind of try to get it all over my brush. It's pretty coated and I'll just kind of try to lightly apply it. I don't think this is gonna be enough for my face. Well, we're doing a light coverage test. I literally see nothing happens. So maybe there's a little less shine. Okay, I'm gonna go in with one more tap and just focus it on my cheek. So, well, that's definitely light coverage. A little too light for me, but I mean that's the whole point of this. We're trying to see how buildable it is. So obviously it looks like almost nothing is on my face. So here, I'll do light coverage on this cheek and then I'll try to do a medium coverage on my forehead and then I'll do a full coverage on this cheek. I think that's pretty fair. So I went in once, I'm going in again. Going in again, and I think I'll stop there because I'm starting to get to full coverage. A little tiny bit more to get the edges. I think that's good. You can still see the imperfections under my skin, but it's definitely more covered than what this was. I think if your skin is perfect, then light coverage would be all you need for just a little bit of a blurring effect. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna try and do full coverage on this side. Okay. I think it might be easier to achieve full coverage with a sponge actually, but for the sake of this video I'm going to keep it consistent and use the brush all the way through. But as you guys can see, I'm like kind of patting it in shorter distances and I'm dipping in a lot more obviously, and I'm making sure that like what I dip is just focused on a smaller area as opposed to trying to spread it out evenly, you know. Wow, this actually looks kind of red. That's nuts. Why does it look like that? It's so hard to get like a thorough color match because they don't let you touch anything. They're like, let me swatch this on a sponge for you and you could put it on somewhere on your face, which I guess should be enough, but I don't know. I guess I just like more freedom when I'm trying to color match. Okay, so this is what full coverage is looking like. I don't think it looks bad, but I do think that it looks pretty red. It looks pretty red. I think it looks okay on camera, but looking in the mirror, it definitely looks red. Like, it looks more red than my face. It looks more red than my neck. And it definitely looks more red than my chest. I don't know, guys. I might be biased, but I love Fenty and what it's done for melanated girls and makeup. I do love Fenty. I do. I don't know. I probably just haven't found the right shade. I don't know. I think I need to find a better shade. But anyways, regardless, the point of the video was, can you achieve light to full coverage? And I would say that the answer to that question is yes. This is what I would call light coverage, almost nothing. This is what I would call medium. And this is what I would call, oh wait, you could kind of see some blemishes there though. Let me try and fix that, because I think I could definitely cover this. The only thing is I don't feel like covering it because it doesn't match me that well. What do you guys think? Is that full coverage? I would accept this as full coverage. Whoa. Definitely. In the mirror, I don't see any blemishes underneath. And I don't think you guys do either. What do you guys think? I think it definitely achieved all levels of coverage. So I think in terms of that, it is honest, it is true, it is correct. I think what I need to work on really is finding my perfect Fenty shade. 445 is probably the closest. Let me show you guys 445. This is the concealer. I don't even know. Yeah, 445 is not bad. I don't know. I feel like I need to review this again. I really think it's just the shade. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, at least to some degree. I'm sorry if it wasn't like super helpful, considering I don't think I got the right shade. But I think it could kind of show you like its claims and coverage, if it can achieve full coverage, which I definitely think it did. So yeah, but you guys let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.